Welcome to my YouTube channel. Liquid Shapes is a very powerful feature in Moho Pro, and it can completely change the way you animate. For example, by using the Clip tool, you can achieve the same results using multiple shapes drawn on the same layer, instead of drawing shapes on different layers and masking them. However, there are some issues. For many users, the Liquid Shape tools do not work properly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix these problems and use Liquid Shape tools correctly. If this video solves your problem, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. For this demonstration, I'm using Moho Pro 14.2. First, let's create a new vector layer. Now, using the Shape tool, I draw a rectangle. After that, I create the shape using the Create Shape tool. Next, let's draw another shape on the same layer. Remember, to use Liquid Shape tools, the shapes must be on the same layer. Now that we have multiple shapes on the same layer, I'll select one of them using the Select Shape tool. As soon as I do that, the Liquid Shape tools become active. Let's try to clip the triangle into the rectangle. As you can see, it's not working properly. The other Liquid Shape tools may also fail to work. To fix this issue, make sure the top shape is selected with the Select Shape tool. Then press Alt plus down arrow several times until the shape moves below the other shape. In my case, I pressed it twice. Now press Alt plus up arrow once so the shape moves back on top. The reason for this problem is that even though there are no other shapes between them, Moho sometimes assumes that there are hidden shapes in between. For the Clip tool to work correctly, the shapes must be exactly on top of each other in the layer order. By moving the shape down and then bringing it back up, Moho correctly recognizes the order. Now the Clip tool works perfectly. But there is another issue. The fill gets clipped, but the stroke is still visible outside the clipped area. Let me show you this in the exported animation. Fortunately, there's also a fix for this problem. Let's draw two rectangles on the same vector layer again. I use the same Alt plus down arrow and Alt plus up arrow method to clip the top shape. Now, while the top shape is still selected with the Select Shape tool, you can see that both fill and stroke are enabled in the Styles panel. Click once on an empty area of the workspace, and then click on the outer stroke of the clipped shape. The shape will be selected again, but now only the stroke option will be active in the Styles panel. Simply uncheck stroke and the problem is solved. Now let's animate it and check the exported animation. If this tutorial helped you solve your problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.